Hi guys, today I'm going to show you DIY challenge. So I'm going to do the brownie sandwich made out of Play-Doh. So let's get started. So you probably saw this, video for it, probably. It was just the cookie challenge, the cookie Play-Doh challenge, but it's not anymore. I turned this one to be from what we say to be the brownie challenge. So let's get started. So I had the same Play-Doh last week. The colorful Play-Doh. So what you need for this is an oven like last week, 2 cookie cutters or brownie cutters. This is brownie, this is cookie. Or if you use each one, you need Play-Doh, whatever color you have, but I just have rainbow. And then you need Play-Doh scissors, and a knife, and a roller like last week. So let's get started. So first you need your Play-Doh, and I'll just shake that up and hit it to the ground. Then I get it, and then just get that, try to get that out. And then I found it, and then I just roll it. So I'm just going to use this one and push it down a little bit. Just poof in it. And like stick it together stuff. And yeah. And then I just put this in and this more. And then you just make that one cook while you make the other one. And then while you're making this one, you can just use a knife, so cut it down into layers. And then when you're done, you can do that and keep doing it. There. So I got it out, finally. So I'm just gonna cut some around the layers. Then roll it on the bottom. And then cut more. So then you stick all that stuff together. Put it in here. Okay, open it. And then that stuff. And then put this one in. I don't eat that one. Okay, done with that one. So I'm just going to put it back in here. Everything back in here, so that one's done. Yeah. And then I just put that back in there. And then that one's done. Take that lid off. And then you're done. So I just put it back in here, and then put the lid on. in there. Put that one in there. Put this in there. And put all the stuff away in the box. So I got that set. It's I'll show you. The Rapunzel. You can make Rapunzel name. So I just use this stuff out of there. And I think I probably got it at Toys R Us or Target. So thank you for watching my video this week on DIY Challengers. Bye!